Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in profit and loss. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, a dishonest merchant sells his goods at 12.5% loss. Friends, 12.5% loss means the loss is 1 by 8 of the cost price. 12.5% means 1 by 8. Loss is 1 by 8 of the cost price. If the loss is 1 by 8 of the cost price, then the selling price is 1 minus 1 by 8, 7 by 8 of the cost price. It implies if cost price is 8, the selling price is 7. In other words, for 8 is 32. If the cost price is 32, the selling price is 4 sevens 28. Here the loss is 4. Here the loss is 4. Friends, but he is giving by using a false weight, he is giving 28 grams instead of 36 grams. So here the cost price is 28, the selling price is 36. Here the profit is 8. Friends, then the net profit is 8 minus 4, the profit is 4 over the cost price 32. So the profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100. 4 by 32, 1 by 8, 100 by 8 means 12.5% profit friends. 12.5% profit. Thank you. Have a nice day.